And our verse of the day is found in the book of Jeremiah 29 verses 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and future. And this is our verse of the day. Mabeleleli verse 6 as you are starting your Monday morning, getting ready for work, uNkulunkulu is giving us this promise. Uthi, for I know the plans I have for you. Ngamanye amagama, as you are here on this very moment, on this day, on this month, on this week, you are not here ngephutha, you are not here ngemistake, but you are here because the Lord has a plan for your life. Noma namhlanje ungayithola uyi-confusion, ngoba noma namhlanje ungayithola u-under siege, noma ungayithola namhlanje u-under difficulties, but God has a plan for your life. Noma wena ungangalazi icebo nohlelo onalo ngawe, but uNkulunkulu sithembisa ukuthi yena unecebo ngathi, unama plans amahle ngempilo yethu. Isiprofeto lesi esakhulunywa uIsrael under ukuthunjwa eBabylon, ehlele eBabylon, izinto zingahambi kahle, be under ukucindezeleka, bebanjiwe eBabylon. Kodwa uNkulunkulu ukhuluma amazwi angachazi isimo sabe ekuthunjweni kwabe eBabylon, kodwa ukhuluma amazwi against into abayibonayo ngaleso sikhathi. Uthi noma ngaba seBabylon nibe sekuthunjweni nibe sezweni le exile, but I have good plans for you. Lokho kusitshela ukuthi our current situations can never cancel what the Lord has in store for us. Icebo likaNkulunkulu can never be cancelled by the pain you are feeling at the moment. Icebo likaNkulunkulu can never be cancelled by the struggles that you are going through. Ama plans kaNkulunkulu can never be cancelled by anxiety and depression and by any kinds of manipulation that you might be facing in your life at the moment. Icebo lakhe nje limile. Noma bengaba khona abakurejectayo namhlanje, but they cannot cancel the plan of God. Noma bengakhona abathi ngeke uzube ilutho, but that cannot cancel the plan of God. Uthi, I have good plans for you, declares the Lord. Your current environment and your current pain has no ability and power to cancel God's plan about your life. I want you to remember that as you are starting your day, that must sink in your mind ukuthi uNkulunkulu necebo ngami, ukuthi ngidlula kuphi manje, it can never cancel iplan uNkulunkulu akanayo ngami. And akushintshi ukuthi uNkulunkulu necebo ngami noma ngakhona abangivukelayo nabalusana nami, but still God has a plan ngempilo yami. I want to remind you this morning, maybe you are going to that disciplinary hearing emsebenzini, but that cannot change the fact that God has a better plan for your life. Maybe namhlanje ubheke enkantolo uyohlalela icala ongalazi. Mhlawumbe omunye namhlanje ebegcina emsebenzini Friday, uvukile namhlanje akaye emsebenzini ngoba icontract iphelile, and akazi ukuthi from now going forward uthini icebo, but God has a plan ngempilo yakho. God has a plan ngabantwana bakho. God has a plan about your family. Noma isimo njengamanje singakhombisa sengathi awuna plan, but God that I serve has a plan about your life. Plans to prosper you. And uma ekhuluma ngeprosperity akakhulumi ngemali kuphela, but uma ekhuluma ngeprosperity usho ukuthi ikhuluma about your stability, about your peace, about your joy, about your security, about your health. Ma ikhuluma ngeprosperity uthi plans to prosper you, usho ukuthi unama plans okuletha ukuthula, unama plans okuletha impilo, unama plans okuletha ukuthula enhlizweni yakho nasemoyeni wakho nentokozo engajwayelekile. That's the promise uNkulunkulu akanaso namhlanje kuseni. Be reminded, even if you have no plan, but God has a plan, and iplan kaNkulunkulu surpasses the plans of the enemy. Iplan kaNkulunkulu idlula nama plans abantu abanawo ngathi. God has a plan. Share with me your verse on Facebook.